Namaste, my name is Sunil Sikri. I am 67 years old. I feel highly blessed to attend the 5-day workshop on food and medicine by SHIVANGI DESAI. She has explained in a very simple way why do we eat food for energy, for the activities which we do, and what is the difference between healthy and unhealthy food, the food which is high in nutrients and low in calories. And also she explained in very clear terms the psychology of the food, that most of the foods which are soft drinks, packaged food, chips, fries, artificial sweetener, biscuits, they are in the list of the junk foods. They have only empty and high calories, and they have zero or very low nutrients. The role of macro and micronutrients was explained in very simple terms, and the 4th day she has explained there is an internal clock on the basis of which we should start eating our meals. The best and the heaviest is the lunch when the sun rises. Sun is very strong, and as the sun sets we should take very light meals. I believe that her course is giving me a new direction and transforming my life, and by attending her workshops I will be able to live a very long, healthy, disease and a happy life with and a medicine free life. Namaste.